Welcome to Computer Applications 2 Online. I am Miss Reed and I will be your instructor for the course. Here's a picture of myself as well as my daughter Ava and my good friend Amber, so you can kind of put a face with a name. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of computer applications because we have a lot of information and things that we need to get set up prior to class starting. So here we go, and I'll go as fast as I can. First thing, I'll go into Blackboard for you, and when you open up Blackboard, this is what you should see. Just come up into your announcements after you click on my course. I have a Start Here button here in the middle as well as over on the side, and if we click on that, then we have 4 items here that we need to go over and understand and be ready so we can get started. First thing is that we need to understand that you have to have Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. And you have to work on a PC, a Windows computer, not a Mac. You cannot use your Chromebook. The other item you will need is your ebook, and the third item will be the Geometric software. So to go in order, if you do not have Microsoft Office 2013, then I have a link. 2 links down here that will explain to you how you can get this software. Again, you cannot use your Chromebook. Here's a video, and if you click on it, it will start playing, and it will go through how you can install this software. When you get right here, it's going to have a link on it. You cannot click on that link since we uploaded it to YouTube, but I have put that link right here for you. You click on it, it will open. You put in your school email address and click sign up. It will verify you and email you back. At this point, you need to be at your home computer, not a Chromebook, not a school computer, but your home computer, and it will give you instructions to download the software to your home computer. From here you have an ebook. I have emailed you a code for your ebook as well as a code for Geometrics. Check your email and get those codes, and then you can download your ebook. Okay, here are directions, and then please select the device and operating system, and then there's options that you have here. Once you get that downloaded, it will look something like this on your computer, and it will open up. And here's my bookshelf, and then if I say all titles, then here is my textbook, and this is exactly the textbook that I have, so you can reference the page numbers and everything. Your book will open and you will be ready to roll. Okay, back to Blackboard. The next is your Geometrics. This will be your testing and practice for testing software. I have emailed you your code, and you will need to watch this video in order to download to your computer. And you will download the software to your computer, and once you do that, then it will look, I've already got it here, I believe. Right here, you will log into it, and you sign in. And then it will tell you if you need to take a test, you need to put in your code right here. And you can see mine's about ready to expire, but if I need to take a test, then I can come out here and it will select my test, and I will give you further instructions on that as we go. So those are the items that you need to have to get started. You got to have the software, a textbook, and you will need Geometrics. If you cannot download Geometrics, you will be responsible, as it says here in this announcement, to take your exams at your home school. You will notify Miss Reed at North, Miss Booth at Lee Summit, or Mr. Spurk at Lee Summit West, and make arrangements to test at your home school. There will be 4 tests. That concludes everything in the Start Here. I will post announcements in this announcement sections, which will come up as you log into Blackboard. I have the calendar, and that just gives you kind of a timeline of what we should be doing. So we kind of get started this first week. I put your Unit E, F, G, and H, and then I gave you a timeline when Word is due. To go on to February, then we have Excel, and when Excel would be due. I'll go through and double check everything and make sure that my timeline works out, and then I will have this finalized this week. But right now, this is what we will have. PowerPoint is due on May 6th, and then with our presentations and then everything will be due. I have the 20th, but I believe that needs to be moved up because seniors will be gone. So that is your calendar. How do you get your assignments? Right over here underneath assignments, we have another link called assignments. And I have your 4 programs listed underneath Microsoft Word. Then these are PowerPoints if you would like to watch them to explain how to complete the task or just a little more instruction. Again, you can tell it goes with the book, gives you your objectives, explains how to do some things. Again, it goes right along with your textbook, but if you'd rather watch a PowerPoint or if you just want to see if you can find something here easier than in the textbook, all of these are available to you. In Word E, these are your objectives, what we will be learning. We click on Word E, and here are the data files that you will need for the assignment. All of them will be located right at the top of each unit. These are your assignments, okay? Don't click on these links until you're ready to turn something in. These are your instructions. You will complete, save to your computer, and then you will upload to Blackboard. To upload to Blackboard, you click on this. Again, you see your points possible, you see your instructions, and then you're going to attach a file. So you would browse my computer, go find it, click on it. I will just grab something, and then you say submit. And you will do that for each assignment. So we've got 3 things that you will turn in for Word E. Once Word E is complete, then you will come in and go to Word F. So on and so on. Come back up to the assignments and you can see I've got Excel. They all look the same way. Data files at the top, assignments at the bottom. You have your Blackboard grade here. I can't go on this because I'm the teacher, but your grade, your assignments will be listed here. You will be able to see if you've turned something in. This will not match PowerSchool. They are not set up the same, so this is simply to see if you've turned something in and if I've graded it. Most likely, if I've graded it in Blackboard, I have put it in PowerSchool. But again, these will not reflect the same grade. Your grade in PowerSchool is the grade that matters. I have a link to PowerSchool, maybe. I won't waste time, but I will look at that and make sure that that link is correct. I put your student Gmail on here. If you should need that, if you want to quick email me, you can. And to email me, then right here is my information. Tells about the course, and then on down, discussion board. Right at this point right now, I'm not going to use the discussion board. We will see later on if I have something that I feel we should use that for. But again, that's a quick tour of Blackboard, and to get you started, a little bit of information. Back to the announcements. Again, you'll click on here, and well, if I was you, I would go through all of these items and make sure you are clear. Please email me with any questions. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to a great semester.